If you're looking to automate client retention efforts and streamline your processes, SuiteDash might be the tool you've been searching for. But before you dive in, let's explore how SuiteDash can help and, more importantly, why it may or may not be the right fit for your business goals. First off, SuiteDash allows you to centralize client interactions. It's a comprehensive platform that combines CRM, project management, invoicing, and communication all in one. But what makes it powerful for retention? It helps you manage your client relationships with ease by automating follow-ups, maintaining consistent communication, and tracking all interactions in one place. Next, SuiteDash's automated email sequences are a game changer. You can set up a drip campaign to nurture your clients automatically, sending them valuable content, reminders, or offers at the right time. This not only saves time, but ensures that your clients feel engaged without you needing to manually follow up every time. Automating this process means you're staying on top of retention without the headache of remembering each individual follow-up. The third thing SuiteDash offers is a client portal that's fully customizable. Your clients can log in to access their own dashboards, track their project progress, view invoices, and communicate directly with your team. This transparency and easy access to key information create a more professional experience and help build long-term relationships by empowering clients to manage their own needs independently. Now, while SuiteDash is great for some businesses, there are limitations. For example, its learning curve can be steep for new users. The interface isn't as intuitive as some of the other platforms out there, which can make it harder for teams to get up to speed quickly. Additionally, while SuiteDash's CRM features are robust, they don't offer the same depth of segmentation or customization as some more specialized tools. This means your client retention efforts may be less personalized than they could be if you're looking for more advanced CRM capabilities. The fourth thing to consider is automation and workflows. SuiteDash does automate many of your processes, but its workflow builder isn't as flexible as some competitors. If you need highly tailored automation for complex workflows, it might feel a little restrictive. On the other hand, there are excellent alternatives that might be a better fit for those who are specifically focused on automating client retention. For example, platforms like ActiveCampaign offer more advanced CRM features and marketing automation specifically designed to improve retention. You can segment your clients, run personalized campaigns, and track everything more easily. Plus, the user experience is generally simpler, which reduces the time spent learning the platform. Finally, if you're looking for a simpler, more intuitive option with a focus on client retention, another solid competitor is Cliently. It offers automation in follow-ups, sending personalized video messages, and even client surveys to improve feedback loops. The downside? It's not as comprehensive in terms of project management, but if client retention is your main goal, it might just be the perfect fit. So, where does SuiteDash fit in? While it's certainly an all-in-one solution, it might not offer the best client retention features when compared to the competition. But if you like the idea of an integrated platform and are willing to work through its complexities, it can still be a valuable tool. Here's the deal. We've got an exclusive and extended free trial for SuiteDash through the link below. But if you're more focused on client retention and want something more intuitive and flexible, I've linked some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs even better. These options also have free trials and could be a game changer for your business. Check out the link and take advantage of the best offers available only for our viewers.